it's me again. One last tool thing. Look what I got. Got one of these suckers. It's a Craftsman. I can't read this part, but it's got a nice patina on it, which I don't want to play with. And it's a, let's see, there's writing over here. There's Craftsman, and there's some writing over there. I don't know. Doesn't say what's, there's so much dirt and shit in here in green. Something else. I don't know if it's a 16 ounce, 20 ounce. There's a whole lot of ounces going on, but I like the green tinge on it. I'm guessing that's original, but it's a professional mechanic hammer. I don't know if I want to, like, I don't even want to touch this tinge. Look at it. Where the hell do you get a green hammer like that? That's pretty cool. I thought it was really neat. I think it was $10 for this hammer. I'll probably just clean the peen off, clean off the end here. Looks like it's had some good little blows in it, and I'll put it in my drawer, oil it up, polish it. The handle looks nice. Even if I did, I wouldn't change. Even if the handle was sucked, I wouldn't change it. It'd be fun to get a new stamp for it. Like, make a nice stamp and just put it in there. I could redo it all original. Craftsman trademark. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that very well. Yeah. I thought it was cool. Not many hammers in the videos, so anyway. Can't touch this. Yeah. Yeah, I know some guy likes hammers. I won't mention his name or anything, but he likes hammers. Anyway, hit like, subscribe, whatever, my channel. I know I have an awesome channel, so join it. Stay tuned and